Museum. My name's Betsy, and I've been a member here since 1997. Today, we're going to take a look at the museum's 1944 Aeronca L-3B. So come on, let's take a look at the cockpit. So here we are in the cockpit. Unlike the other aircraft you've seen so far, the L-3 doesn't have an adjustable seat. But we will start from our left. Here you see the elevator trim. Nose up, nose down. And right above that, the throttle. Throttle open, throttle closed. This aircraft is not equipped with a mixture control as in the other aircraft that you've seen. And above my left knee is the engine primer. This is used to introduce fuel into the aircraft cylinders for engine start, and we'll go ahead and lock that. And to the right of the primer is carburetor air. We'll go ahead and select on or hot, and off or cold. And above that, our battery gauge. This can be used to see if the wind generator is generating any power. And to the right of that is our altimeter. This is a non-sensitive altimeter, and you'll notice it does not have a Colesman window. You cannot set in your current altimeter setting. To the right of that, the airspeed indicator, our whiskey wet compass, our mag switch, left, right, both, and off. And below that on the panel is our fuel shutoff valve. On and off are our only options. And our oil pressure gauge, oil temperature gauge, and then our tachometer. And these are the electric master switches. Our cabin heater, and on the right side of the cabin is our emergency door release. You would pull the ring, turn the handle, and the door will fall away for a quick egress. And to the upper left of the pilot is the fuel gauge, and that fuel tank is located overhead the pilot and holds 12 gallons of fuel. Let's go ahead and check our flight controls. Pull back on the stick, and the elevator goes up. Push forward on the stick, the elevator goes down. Right aileron up, left aileron down. To the left aileron up, right aileron down. Rudder right, and rudder left. And we'll make sure we can reach the brakes okay. And I'm about 5'1", and I can just reach them perfect. During World War II, the Air Corps used the L-3 for reconnaissance and artillery spotting. This aircraft is powered by a horizontally opposed 4-cylinder Continental engine producing 65 horsepower. Located between the landing gear is the wind-driven generator, used to produce electricity for the radios. Located on the top of the rudder is the trailing wire antenna cone. The drag produced by the cone helps in the unwinding of the reel. It also keeps the antenna from whipping back and forth. Above the pilot and observer's head is the trailing wire antenna reel. And here we see the observer's seat, located behind the pilot. The observer could face backwards by removing the control stick and mounting it next to his seat, located in front of the baggage compartment. After moving the headrest to the other side of the seat, he could then use the top of the baggage compartment as his desk.
I'm through with all of them. I'll never fall again.
We hope you enjoyed your tour of the museum's Aeronca L-3B. This aircraft can be booked for your local air show. Come visit this aircraft and others like it at the Mid-Atlantic Air Museum. Thanks, and we'll see you around the patch.